Corona test. Corona test. Corona test.
Hi guys, I'm Matthias from Cars and Bikes. I'm riding my bike from Germany to Thailand and I warmly invite you to visit me on this amazing journey. I'll show you the good, the bad, I'll show you everything that happens to me on my way. Good morning guys. Finally, I'm leaving the city of Split, the beautiful, wonderful city of Split after 3 days resting here. Let's say three nights, at least two full days. And met some really nice people here, especially to mention Dragan from Sarajevo. So thanks Dragan for your time, for your friendship. We had a blast of a time together. Yesterday we were swimming in the sea and had some beer on the beach and it was really nice. So thanks Dragan and goodbye Split. Thank you. And of course guys, of course, I forgot to drop my key at the reception. I still have my key from the hostel in my pocket. So now I have to go back again. Oh, back again at Hostel Garden Split to drop my key. Maybe get this key. I got lost in keys now. Maybe this key is important. And I have in my pocket, I hope so. Yes, here it is. I have this key. I have to drop it upstairs here, but so you can see one more time this beautiful garden there. Wow, can you see? Hello. Hey. That's so nice. So, drop the key and go. Ciao, ciao. So, and again put Sarajevo. From Croatia to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Hello, you need an ID? You need a passport? Okay, can I stop a moment? I take it out. Sorry. Okay, voilà, ciao. That was just leaving Croatia, and now there comes the entering of Bosnia. Ciao. Sorry?
Corona test.
I don't have corona test, but I'm healthy, I feel fine. I go to Thailand. I just pass by. So I go to Serbia, Bulgaria, Istanbul, Thailand.
1 second, please.
Okay?
Okay.
Hola, thank you.
Transit, BK transit.
Sorry, what?
Transit.
Yes, I do one night around Sarajevo, and then I go Serbia or transit. I go Serbia.
Today go to Serbia.
I hope, yeah.
Okay.
I hope. Okay, hvala. Ciao.
Okay, today I learned that transit is the magic word.
Big lake. Look at this. Looks like some desert down there. See that? That looks amazing. See that river? Like snaking down there. And we go that way. Beautiful. Look at this. Actually. Look at this view! Unbelievable! Look down this valley! And you see up there, this on the hill, this little chapel with the cross. I don't know if you can see on the video right now. Wow. Can we go up here? Let's try. Whoa. I cannot believe it, how crazy nice this is. Wow, look at this grass and the stones and the chapel there. Now you can see it, I bet. Wow, let's find a way down here. It's actually very rocky and bumpy and everything. Oh, I hope I can do that. Wow, I try my best. I never did this before. No practice at all. I hope I don't hit a big rock like Claudio von Planta did in the long way round, you know that? The cool Swiss guy. Okay, let's go up that hill. Wow! Wow. This is crazy nice. And let's go back. Second gear. Yeah, can do that. Love it! Woo-hoo! Wow, that's freedom! That's adventure already! Love it! So nice! Long road. Can you hear how quiet it is here? And you see the horse over there? Let's see if we can approach to him and say hello. Okay. Quiet is over now. Oh, the horse is going wild. Oh, wow. Ciao, ciao! Ciao! Better like this. Better like this. Hey! Ciao, ciao! Yeah, ciao, ciao! Hello! 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 Let's put my hand out. Hello! Hey! Hello! Ciao! Ciao! Hello! Hey! Hello! Hello! Yeah, ciao, ciao! You're a nice one, huh? You're a good one. Yeah! Ciao, ciao, ciao! Ciao, ciao, ciao! You beauty! Yeah! So I gotta go. Oh, what are you doing? No. Ciao, ciao, little horse. And that's my horse. What do you think? Okay, honestly, that one is nicer, even more. But I love that one a bit as well. Ciao, ciao, little horse. Let me try down here. I don't know, or over there. Smelling so good. Ah. That's nice. What a road, guys. What a road. That's funny. Here. But I guess I will turn here. I think I will turn around. Wow, look how beautiful. Although it's raining, but it's beautiful. What a nature, what a world, guys, what a world! Wow! Oh. What a wonderful world! Was that Louis Armstrong? Whoa! Hello. There you can see where we are, you can have a look. Still in the middle of Bosnia, Herzegovina. Round about 100 kilometers west of Sarajevo. Heading to Sarajevo now. You know why? Because it's on the way to Thailand. That's good. We like it. There. Nice. So. nice view. Beautiful. I like it. Looks like a jungle. Almost like in Thailand. Only some palm trees are missing, I think. Some monkeys in the trees. But other than that, it's like, it looks jungly. It looks like a jungle to me. That looks beautiful, guys. Actually, I don't know what it is. Probably in memory of people, probably soldiers that died during the horrible war, like the war in Yugoslavia. But it's a nice view, for sure. So let these people quiet, I will leave, and then they can have their memories. What a massive mountain! Whoa, with a, you see, with a hole in there. Interesting. Look at this. What was this called here? Kosneluke. Kosneluke. Probably I get that wrong pronounced, but anyway. Sarajevo, left, yes, why not? I need fuel, I need some gasoline, I need some gasoline. I need some and I'll take some. But they are closed. They are closed. Is this self-service? Ah no, there is somebody. There is somebody. Okay, no problem. Ciao. You speak English? Deutsch? English more. Okay, how are you? Fine. Good, good. Beautiful here, beautiful nature.
Moto.
The moto? Me? Thailand.
Thailand.
Turkey, Iran, Pakistan, India, Thailand. Helpful. And I need some drink or something. What do you have? No. Here's some Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. And one Coke, please. Oh wow. Smells good. Interesting. Unfortunately, I'm not that hungry right now. The lake! Wow! Autocamp Miris Jeta. Whoa! Splash! Nice. Should I put a tent here somewhere? I don't know. It looks very, very cloudy. I don't know. Maybe over here. Nice. 20 kilometers to Sarajevo, but I'm really tired now, so I need one more break, just relax a bit. And I found an elephant. I show you. Can you see like this? Here he is. Nice guy, huh? I tell you, Bosnia-Herzegovina is a bit like Thailand. Have also the elephant, have the everything. Sorry, English? Police? Ah. Maybe. To stop we can.
Wohin fährst du? Nach Sarajevo?
Hi.
Hi.
Du sprichst Deutsch, sehr gut. Hi.
Hi.
Matthias.
Salto heißt mein Name.
Freut mich. Hi. Ja, nach Sarajevo jetzt.
Ja.
Genau.
Brauchst du Hilfe oder was?
Vielen Dank. Alles gut, denke ich.
Ja,
alles gut.
Ja.
Ich habe Adresse von einem Hostel.
Von einem Hotel hast du
Hostel, ja.
Welche?
Oh, Hostel Residenza oder so.
Das ist die Altstadt, oder?
Direkt in der City.
Ja, ja, ich weiß.
Kennst du?
Ja, gut.
Ist es okay?
Okay, korrekt.
Super. Perfekt.
Mach's gut. Viel Spaß.
Wenn du möchtest, ich fahre nach Thailand jetzt.
Nein, ich
Und
zu weit von
kannst du
mir.
nicht sehen. Nein, nein, ich mache Dokumentation auf YouTube.
Aha.
Soll ich dir meine Karte geben?
Wohin fährst du jetzt?
Thailand.
Thailand. Check, wo sind nach
Sag
Thailand?
da was, ich nicht sagen.
Ich gebe euch kurz meine Karte. Moment. Könnt ihr schauen.
Ich kann nicht glauben, dass sie nach Thailand.
Oh, Vorsicht. Ja, ich versuche über Türkei, Iran, Pakistan,
Ist
Indien.
nicht weit, oder?
Morgen bin ich noch nicht da.
Aha, so, gut.
Ja.
Also, ja,
Du kannst schauen, YouTube, Instagram.
gut, gut. Ich melde mich an.
Okay, schön.
Ja,
Super, danke.
Spaß.
Ciao, alles Gute.
Viel Spaß.
Ciao, danke.
Und fährt vorsichtig, weil hier sind. Die fahren ein bisschen verrückt.
Okay, alles klar. Schönes Bike.
Keine schlechte Motorrad.
Alles klar. Ciao, ciao. They are so nice. I love it. So the hostel should be good. Let's check. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
If you want, you can. I'm driving to Thailand. You can watch on YouTube.
It does.
Matthias on Cars and Bikes. Hostel Residenza, or something like that. Where is that? Hostel City Center. Okay. Hostel Residenza, where is it? This is hotel. I'm sorry, scusi, sorry. You speak English?
A little bit.
The Hostel Residenza or something?
I don't know really, I'm not from here.
Okay, thank you. Do you know Hostel Residenza? Hostel Residenza? Somewhere here? No? Maybe. Hello.
Hello.
You know the Hostel Residenza?
No.
No?
Did you put it in the navigation?
Yes.
Where did
It should be this street, I think, because it's
What's the name?
Residenza? Residenza?
No.
No?
Because there's a lot of hostels in this street, but
Okay.
none of them is resident. Maybe in the...
Okay. Yeah, I have a look.
I don't know.
Moment.
Okay guys, that's enough for today. The hostel was just next door and now you can see some outtakes if you like.
Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes. I'm riding from Germany to Thailand with my bike. Cut. I'm riding with my bike from Germany to Thailand. Hi guys. Cut. Loud truck. Yalla. Yalla. Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes. I'm riding with my bike from Germany to Thailand. Okay, next. Again. Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes. I'm riding with my bike from Germany to Thailand, and I warmly invite you to visit me on this amazing journey. And I'll show you everything. I'll show you the good, the bad. Cut. Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes. I'm riding my bike from Germany to Thailand, and I warmly invite you to visit me on this amazing journey. I'll show you the good, the bad. I'll show you everything that happens to me on my way.